Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about Doordash to offer first credit card via Chase MasterCard. Yep, Doordash is finally getting into the credit card game, not through Dasher Direct, but through Chase Bank, which is very interesting to me because I thought if they were going to go credit card, they would try to go into the credit cards for gig workers before they do for customers. But with that said, I want to go over what this article is saying, how it could be for gig workers or customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Doordash has partnered with Chase and MasterCard to roll out the first ever Doordash credit card, the companies announced Tuesday. You know, honestly, I'm genuinely surprised that this is their first attempt at it. You would think with Doordash as a company that they would be on it. Like, the amount of money you can make from credit cards alone, I know that it's toxic already for us as customers and drivers, but I thought they would be on this already. I guess I was mistaken. Cardholders of the Doordash Rewards MasterCard will have access to benefits and earn rewards on both purchases on and off the aggregator's platform. Okay, so clearly this isn't for drivers, this is for customers. Honestly, I'm a little disappointed about that. Like, I know they would prefer us on Dasher Direct, but I thought they would totally be on the idea of having a Doordash credit card for drivers. But instead, it's just for customers, and it's only working as a reward system for probably Dash Pass members, but who knows? Doordash has worked with Chase since 2020, offering complimentary Dash Pass membership perks to Sapphire, Freedom, and Slate card members. It has worked with MasterCard since 2021. So Doordash has been working with Chase, kind of like how Grubhub has been working with Bank of America. And they've got 2 years ahead on Grubhub in comparison. No wonder why they're exploding. The Doordash credit card will provide a new way to attract and retain customers in the highly competitive food delivery segment. Co-branded cards can also encourage loyalty from customers, especially since consumers can receive rewards from retailers they shop with frequently, according to insider intelligence. Many retailers have credited co-branded cards as a significant contributor to customer frequency. You know, I feel like the Dash Pass should be more than enough to achieve that, because once a customer is paying monthly for the Dash Pass in comparison to going to any other app at that point, it doesn't make sense to be a member of all three apps. So usually what I say is that you pick one and you kind of stick with it. But I guess this does encourage the loyalty a little bit more, because if they open a Doordash credit card and they also have a Dash Pass, they're kind of stuck on that platform. But then the question then becomes, do you do that, or are you 100% confident in the service of Doordash to where you kind of wait on opening up a Doordash credit card again? And what's to stop Grubhub and Uber from opening up their own cards in other banks to do the same thing? Yes, Doordash is working with Chase right now, but not everybody uses Chase, although they are very good for credit cards. It would definitely attract and retain customers if they are building their credit using this card. Other food delivery platforms have been partaking in similar partnerships. Grubhub is working with Bank of America to provide eligible cardholders a free year of Grubhub Plus. It also began offering a corporate pay card with Visa earlier this year to allow employees with corporate accounts to order from partner restaurants. I actually made a video talking all about the partnership between Grubhub and Bank of America. I'll leave that in the description. Feel free to check it out. But I had no idea that they started a corporate pay card, so that's news to me. Doordash's competitive edge is in the act of offering a credit card rather than just providing benefits to existing cardholders. The partnership with Chase could provide even more access to potential customers, especially since Chase serves over 66 million US households, according to the press release. The new card is a World Elite MasterCard, which includes 24/7 complimentary concierge service and access to MasterCard priceless experiences, according to the press release. Chase has always been a great bank for developing your credit. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I think it's not surprising that DoorDash is the first to offer a credit card under a food delivery platform as opposed to just a Dash Pass membership or an Uber One membership or whatever. Honestly, I'm more surprised that they didn't do this sooner. The only disappointing part about this to me is that this is clearly for customers and not drivers. But that being said, let's say they did do it for drivers. Would they do that through Dasher Direct or would they do that through Chase Bank MasterCard? Honestly, I'm starting to wonder if they would actually do this for Chase Bank MasterCard and they would actually transfer Dasher Direct in that way. Or kind of like how the Uber Pro card is working with Branch or Truist Bank, if you're familiar with it. Honestly, I'm a little surprised it took this long for this to happen. All in all, I think it's a good move on DoorDash to actually start moving into that area. I don't know if it would be good for drivers because it clearly is a customer benefit, but hey, if the cashback is there and you can gain a benefit, why not? If that is something that is valuable to you. However, I will say, regardless of if you do sign up for it or not, make sure that you're not keeping a balance. And if you have credit card debt, pay it off already, long before you even consider this. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!